Today we're going to be installing this Boostautoparts fender lights on this 2020 Duramax. We'll show you guys how to do it, start from finish. It'll be a pretty simple process. Basically, all the tools you need are T20 and then a T15, right?
Yep.
So yeah, this is all we need. That, yeah. Oh, you already got the T20. Cool. All right, let's get this started. First step, we're gonna be removing the mud flaps.
The T15 is used for the mud flap.
So they're all T15 on the mud flap?
Yeah, I think it's T15 here and there, and then this part's gonna be the T20.
All right.
Yeah, it is a clip, Adam. Where? Like on the inside.
You want a pan clip tool?
Mine's got a clip.
Cam's toolbox, cam locker, cam locker. There you go.
I got tools for days. Harbor Freight's my best friend. Now the only problem is that's the only one I got, so if you need a smaller one, I don't have that. I got flathead screwdrivers for days.
Oh,
cool.
okay.
That's the pin.
Yep, that was just
That's the clip. All right.
And that's basically what's going to be in here, I think.
All right. Sweet.
My brother said he snapped because he bought his were black and he bought these after the fact from GM and installed them and said they were something.
Up pipe, down pipe, one or the other.
2, 3, 4,
It took
5, 6,
forever
7,
because I
8,
kept
9,
finding
10. Wow, there's 10 of them that you removed so far.
I think there was what, 15 or 16 in Armando's, wasn't there?
It was a lot.
Yeah, because I mean, I had taken them all out, and he's like, "Oh, Dad, there's 3 more." Like, you're kidding me? They blend in so well.
Wouldn't it be nice if you had some rock lights right now?
That would help.
All right.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clip, and then 4 out of the. Now this one's different. This one you got to take that out and pop out the. It's buried in between this and that.
So we took out 10 T15, 1 clip, 4 for the mud flap.
I heard that. I heard something fall in.
And then you can remove your fender liner. Hey, we could do some rock lights right now. This would be the perfect time to do it.
Hey, what? This one's double.
Double? Yeah, but I think that one's gonna be
1, 2, 3,
easier.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18.
That I don't think we have to remove it. We can just pop it out. What are you doing now?
I am doing the fender light here. Has a T20 and a T20 here that holds this sturdy to the fender flail.
Okay, let me get a video of that real quick.
There's that screw. There's one. And then when this one comes out, JW, that thing should fall out towards you. It might fall out. It might.
Here, I'll just.
All right, screws out. That thing should slide on out.
Oh, heck yeah.
And then I think it says.
Oh yeah, those things.
See, that locks it in, and then it's when you pull that, it releases over the. Yeah,
Two for two.
Well, so what'd y'all do? Just wiggled it out?
Yeah, it just took a minute.
If you look here, I don't know if y'all can kind of see this, but along one of the sides, it's got a little bit of adhesive, and that's just to keep it from like wiggling loose from bumps and stuff.
Yep. That's where you thought it was melted.
But what you do is you take it and you just come up from one side and
get
mash the button at the same time on the adhesive side, and it pulls right off.
Got adhesive on it.
Heck yeah.
Yep.
So yeah, that's how you do it. You will struggle for like a little bit, but
For a minute. If it's new to you, yes.
Take some time, yeah.
Well, yeah, let's put the frosted Boostautoparts.
Did you see these out?
Uh-oh, are you gonna be getting them next?
And they're still, he likes all the amber, and I'm with him too.
Okay.
He likes his orange. He likes his bicycle.
Ah.
All right, let's make sure we have these. And I guess it really doesn't matter front to back. They don't give you because they're the same.
I'm not saying it don't look good, opinionated.
Okay. So that didn't really, that slid right on there.
Did it click? There you go.
Clip. And let
me see that again.
Push it in, push the clip.
The logo amber. That way, because you have a little bit of offset, because
that's what
too much white might be.
Oh no, that looks good.
Yeah.
See what it looks like that way too.
Oh yeah.
There you go, Adam.
All right.
It's still got.
They look good lit up now.
Double the amount?
I think so. Yeah.
Oh, so 5 bolts.
Yes, sir. And this time it didn't have that
clip.
little clip in it.
All right, lesson learned. So you don't have to remove all the little T15 or, yeah, all these bolts. There's about 20 of them. Because all you need to do is remove the mud flaps and pop the fender flares, and you can get to the lights.
Can you feel where it's at, and then put your hand where it's at and just pull it? Good God. Yep. But you got to remember, there's one. They're staggered. Two. Yeah. There's one here, one here. All right. It does help when you got 2 people on it. Yep. Oh, it didn't break. It just came out. Now this is where you might want to be careful. Right here, where it gets weak. Let me see, can we get it back there to get these out? Yeah, I'd rather try it back there. That thing ain't going in that angle. Yeah.
There you go.
You gotta keep going? It says right here. I got one more. That's it. That's it. Can you get to that screw? Yep. Just let them. I would pull one more. I can get there. You gonna scratch your paint? You think so? Try to pop one more? One more. I'd rather replace the clip. Yep, a little more. Yep.
There we go.
I'll hold out on it. Whew. Let me undo this little line right there.
Yeah, which one of these with?
It popped. It is stuck on that damn right there.
Ah,
see it right there that time?
Yeah.
On the inside.
All right. Put the BAP on there. Heck yeah.
That's it.
Not bad. Just gotta put all the 27 of the...
which I should not have taken out. Which he owes me $100 for. Yep. God no. Hang on. Alright. Let me get my hand ready. If you got the bottom off. That was a bit. Yep. Oh! Not blown.
There you go.
One more? I think so. Yep.
Man, this side was a lot quicker than the other side.
Well, because he ain't as nervous. But something flew. They flew somewhere. Think how I was by myself doing this shit out here. I was like, what in the hell? Adam said he's got clips. Brand new truck.
Last one.
The world would be amazing, but everybody said the water in the Bahamas is like.
Oh, you're not really clicking.
Still just riding around, supervising people, selling.
I don't do any selling anymore whatsoever. It went in smoother than that other. Yeah. All right.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Look at that. Just blends right in. And I like how it's not even painted. It's more like clear but white. And then you gotta put the mud flaps back on. Do you think they were that bright before with the factory ones?
I don't think so. Not like that. Look at the amber color. It's coming in your face.
Oh yeah. Look at that. That does look pretty good.